In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pictures on Airbnb. If you want to refresh your listing, show off upgrades, or simply make your property look more appealing to potential guests. Updating your photos is a great place to start. The good news is that Airbnb makes this process fairly simple, whether you're using the app or the website. To begin, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages the listing you want to edit. Once you're in, head over to your listings section. This is where you'll find all the properties connected to your host profile. Next, select the listing you want to update. If you manage more than one property, take a moment to confirm you've opened the right one before making changes. After that, navigate to the photos section of the listing. This is where all of your current property images are stored and organized. Once you're in the photos area, click or tap edit photos or manage photos depending on what version of Airbnb you're seeing. The wording may vary slightly between devices, but the goal is the same, opening the photo editor for your listing. Now you can upload new photos by selecting them from your device. Choose clear, high-quality images that accurately represent the space. It's always a good idea to use bright, well-lit photos so guests can easily see the details of your property. If you want to remove an existing image, select that photo and choose delete or remove. This is useful if a picture is outdated, blurry, or no longer reflects the current setup of your space. As you update your gallery, try to keep only the strongest images that help tell the story of the property. If Airbnb gives you the option, you can also drag and drop your photos to rearrange their order. This matters more than many hosts realize because the order of your images can shape a guest's first impression. Put your most attractive and informative photos near the beginning. You'll also want to choose the image you'd like to use as your cover photo. This is the main picture guests often see first, so pick one that highlights the best feature of your listing. Finally, review all of your changes carefully. Check that the right photos were added, unwanted ones were removed, and everything is in the order you want. When you're satisfied, click or tap Save to update your listing. That's it. Your Airbnb photos will now be updated, helping your listing look current, polished, and ready for future bookings.